All right, welcome to another part of our video. And I believe in today's video, we are going to achieve a whole lot because we are going to try as much as possible to be able to cover a wide range of customization so that everyone can go ahead to do other things. I believe by now we should all be done with this home page. We should all be done editing this home page. So today we are going to go into the about us page. I won't do much there. I will just tell you what to do, then you go ahead to do it, right? Okay, I believe every one of us, the only thing that we are yet to touch here is the footer, and we've done something about the menu bar, which is the navigation bar. The next thing that we need to touch is just the footer. So now we are going to go over to the about us section. So this is our about us section, and yeah, mind you, you can add other sections in your in this particular theme, and mostly other themes, right? You can add sections in it, and you can also remove some sections. So in order not to make this video too long, I'm going to tell you what you are going to do and how you should go about it. Then you go ahead and do it at your project, right? So this is the hero page or the hero section of this particular about us. So when you click on this edit icon and you highlight this whole section, right, there's something I want you to learn how to do. When I highlight the whole section, something I am looking for, okay, it's not here. I think it should be somewhere here. Okay, this outline text, that's transparent text that is written about us, right? This is how you can get it in no matter the page. You highlight this place and you go to text. You can change it to about us. Let me just add X so that you see that some changes are happening there. You can see that if I add another X, it's reflecting here. That's tell you that it's working, right? So who are we? Okay, let's go back to our chat GPT, and we are going to start a new section, right? Okay, no, like no need of starting a new section. Let me look for the one that we have been doing so far. I think this is it. Okay, so yeah, let's say give us a short give us a short content is the option. Give us a short content on, okay, let's not say on, for our about us welcome section. Is this section? Okay, section. Let's see what we get here. Okay. Okay, at the name of the company, we specialize in delivering fast, reliable, secure logistics across road. Doom. So let's see what we have here. This is a little bit short, so let's copy this. Okay, passion, satisfaction. We are proud to be trusted partners in business across. I think I will copy from here to here, right? And I will add it up. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. Let's add it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Okay, let's see what we got. It's okay. I think who are we? This is okay. Then we come down to our team. I would say talk about our team and vision. Let's see. Write about our team and vision. Let's see what we get. Consign. Concise. Yeah, I think this is okay. Behind every successful delivery, it's a dedicated team at okay, what's the name of VT Logistics, right? At VT Logistics, our staff includes experienced logistic professionals, skilled drivers, tech experts, and customer service agents who are passionate about the. Let's get this. Although this will come up with two sections, let's paste this, right? Let's see what we got here. Okay, we are proud of reputation as one of our harness core. Okay, one-stop manufacturers of brand. Let's see. We are proud of our reputation as one of the finest one-stop company. Let's just change this to VT logistics, right? It's got to be there. Let's remove this and let's see what we got. This is okay. Instead of construction, let's say delivery. Let's say here satisfaction. Let's say that. Let's say customer service. Oh, okay. This is okay. We have decades of experience meeting. Okay. This is just to say rewrite though. Let me just say more or longer. Let's get something longer. Okay. I think this should replace this, right? So everything I'm doing, I was not meant to do all these things. Okay, maybe if I do a little bit here, the next one you guys are going to do it yourself. Okay. Let me copy this. Copy, and I'll replace this to our. I think our will be the best, and replace this whole thing here with what I have now. I think I don't even need to add much again here. Okay, so that's all for this part. Let's see what we have. Let's see how it's looking. This. You know, the next thing we ought to change. Let me show you. When I highlight this whole section, right? Let's go to design. That's you can see that design in words. You can do it for home page too. When you highlight the section, you go to design. Let's select. What are we selecting? What do you have? What do we have? Is about us, right? About us. Which image am I going to use now? Let me just use maybe any random image or something. Let me use any random image to do it. Okay, let me use this. Let me see this. Let me just use any random image to see how. Okay, you see how it's looking like. Although it's not compatible with the text, so we can easily change it to something different. Let me check out something dark. Yes, I think this is okay. This is okay. All right, so this image too can be changed. You select let me just use this, although this is not right to be there, but we can manage it. Yeah, manageable. Oh, my mouse. Coming. I don't know what's wrong with this. So the next part is this the founder and owner. You can decide to leave this part, or you can also decide to keep it, right? But this and this, okay. Let me close it up and see. Okay, this, I think we are done with this part. Then coming over to this part, I want you to do something here. Since you are the one working on this, or if you are working with it as a team, I want you to use yourself as the founder and the owner, and I want you to change everything here to suit what you have. Change everything here to suit what you have. Use your picture, your very good picture, right? Because you are the founder of the project and all. So yeah, this, let me see what was done here. This should be image. Yeah, you should have your signature and you add it up here. That's if you want to add your signature. That's if you want to, right? So change everything here to yourself. Then here, you know what we have already. From our last search, we have this. So still work with this and add it up here. Still work with this and add it up with this short content within it. Change it to what's here. So I'm expecting to see 250 here, 120 here, and 98% here, and 30 plus global here, right? So that's what I'm expecting from you. Then for this part now is your team, right here. So your team, so you should I like this zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. Let me check out something. Okay. Let me see something. Animation, responsiveness. Okay, type element. Okay, content, always. So URL. Okay. So let me say general. Okay, you can edit everything here, right? You know the normal thing. So I want you to delegate 3 persons that you want to use. You already know how to do all these changes. The only thing I know we've not done is these icons, right? So here in these icons, right, if you want Facebook to be there, or you want to maybe change to another icon, you can do that. But you want, when they click on Facebook, it should take them to their Facebook, right? So how you do this is that you go to your Facebook, you log in into your Facebook account, then you copy the URL to your Facebook page or to your Facebook account. Then when you click on Facebook, you go to URL and you add it here. But when you click on this one, you go to the team's URL. If you don't have it ready yet, you just put hash there, right? So that it will just reload the page. I'll leave my own as hash there. So if that is that, like, this will also apply. This is Twitter, right? I think they've changed Twitter's this into X, right? No longer this bird. So you can do the changes there, right? So this is Instagram, this is LinkedIn. You can also do the same thing to all of them. Then this is like, it's going to redirect them somewhere. We're expecting, is that a separator? Okay, that is a separator. So this is, maybe you want to take them to your blog. So this can be changed to blog instead of career. You know, we've deleted some things. You just change it to blog, right? And say simple out. You say interested in our daily updates. Daily updates. You say simple field. Okay. Then you say visits visits our blog for to keep you, what am I typing? To keep you up to date. I think this is okay. Then here is, let's just say visit visits blog. You get, because I'm not sure we still have what's it called there? We still have that career there. So what we have is blog. So visit blog is okay. Then once the blog is ready, not once the blog is ready, let me save this. Let's do it now. Or let me just open this in a new tab. And when I open it in a new tab, this is what we have there. You know, we are yet to make changes, right? Then I will copy the link there and paste it here. I'll go back to this place, go to URL. So that once they click on view that, just it will bring them over to the blog. So when I highlight there now, when I close this and I go back to that place and I highlight it, you check somewhere down here, the down part by the left side of my window down, you see HTTPS, this is the address to that blog that we did copy. So when I click on it, to take us to that blog. So do you work on this part? We work on this part. Then over here, this is, I used to call this your call to action, right? This is call to action. A team of highly skilled manufacturers prepared to meet any request for you. Okay, here now can be book us today. Just trying to do something about that will make them book you immediately. That will make them come to your day and be like, oh, I need your services, I need your road service, I need your sea service, I need your air service, and what again? I need your dispatch service. So yeah, this is where I would want you to do something like that, right? So you just try as much as possible to do this section. Yeah, try as much as possible to do this section. Yep. So I will allow you to this part to do it. What's here? This is a form. Okay, I don't think this part should be hard, but let me do something here. Let's highlight okay, contact. This is business contact. We maximize timely, okay, deliverable for real-time schema. Okay, automatically maintain click and just solution without functional solution. Okay, all this Amwerk you are seeing here, try and change it to something that represents the brand name you are using. Try and change all those stuff there. Okay, so Okay, this address here, is a usual thing now. Change it to the address you want to use, the email you want to use, the different addresses that you want to use. But there is something I want to show you. This part, this is known as form, right? This is not here, but when you click it, you select the form that you want to use. I will show you how to go about this. I will come back to this, or let me just let me save up this, and let's go to the back end, or let me use this as my back end, right? Let's go to the back end and let's look for contact form. Okay, when you go to the contact form, you will see that this is a form that we are using there. Although they are duplicated, but let's go back there. Let's go down. So now all those forms that you want people to fill up, it's from the back end. We use the plugin known as form, which is this contact, to build those forms. You can add a new form and build it up from scratch and all right. But I'll show you some stuff. Where am I? Here. So yeah, let's click. You see that the form there is contact form 1 column, right? So when I go there, I'm seeing duplications, but I will go with 1. I will edit. This is where you can change it. So these are codes, and I know that this one will definitely confuse you. Boom. Okay, looking for something. Edit. You can edit the form here for more details. Say, okay. This part. Okay. Okay. Let me see something. The form. What's the first thing there? The first thing there is your name. So you can, okay, this is your name and this is a placeholder, right? Text, your name. This is a placeholder. The placeholder there is your name too, right? What the placeholder is what you will see inside. That will give you a hint of what is you are meant to type there. So you can do all those changes. Instead of your name, you change it, and yep. This is for your telephone, but it's tele that they wrote there. Tel. Am I correct? Are you sure this is the right form? No, this is not the right form. I just saw it. This is not the right form. Let me go back. I think the second one should be the right form, where you see project and all. Okay, I think this is the right form. Okay, project scope. This is it. And yeah, this is it. I don't want to do much here on form, right? I don't want to do here on form, but I will have to add it up. But let me show you something. So under mail, how do you direct the mail? Where do you want the mail to go to? That's for this part. Where do you want the mail to go to? That's what we are going to do under this form, right? Where do you want under this mail? So you put your email here. Form, this can be okay, info.com form. I think these two, subject to okay, from this, your name, your email. Okay, now this two is the email that it's going to. That is your email. From your name can be here, your company's name, and the subject of the team. This is where you work on it. Like this is the name of the team, that so you can change what's here. Reply to Okay, reply to additional header, your email. Okay, your email address should be, am I correct? I think I'm correct. This email was sent from a contact form on site. This should be your site title and your site URL. Let me see the message. Okay, this you can edit this part. Thank you for like this is when it's successful. This is when the sender failed to send. Validation errors. These are your, can I call it, your rollbacks, your replies that you give to them when they are done filling your email and all. I don't want to just waste much time. I just want to show you where it's coming from, this particular form. So when you are done editing it, maybe you are adding a new form, right? And that new form, you just want to do few things there. Okay, yeah, I think now it's making more sense, right? This is your admin email, your site title, your form. I think this is going to be the URL of your website, right? Here is your site title and the subject, and yeah. Then when you are done editing it, you can now add it up here, right? And yeah, then this is the part you are going to work on. Here is your partners, right? Here's your partners. You can leave this here because you don't have any partners and you don't have logos. But if you have logos or you have any logo that you want to change it to, you can easily change that. I think that's all about this, about us. I said I don't want this video to be very long, so I will go over to services and we get what to do under services. So do your about us, and the next thing is services. Already you know how to do this hero page. You go to your ChatGPT and you get content for this place. You change this the image there, the background image. Then over here, Amwerk always get jobs done. So now what you can do to make your job easy, right, is to tell ChatGPT, you copy everything here and tell ChatGPT, due to my previous content, rewrite this particular content I'm giving you to suit my brand. Let me use this as an example, right? Okay, what's going on? I think this is the highest it can copy, right? Let me just get this too. Let me get this too. Let me say rewrite this content. To match my company, right? I think my company should be the best. Then bam, let's see what we got. Written. We don't just move packages, we move businesses forward. Dum, 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 dum. Okay, you see, then you just find a way and blend it and add it up here, because from the content given to you, find a way, blend everything, you re-edit and you add it up here. This is to your what's it called again, your supporters or people that are working with your brand, right? People that trust you. Yeah. So now this part is a part of the services. Gone gone. This is part of the services, right? And this is the payment gateway. Okay, the payment method. This. And for my own end, I think there are some parts that are not necessary. But if you feel they are necessary for you, maybe this company is doing like more services. but I don't think all these are necessary. So let me start by deleting itself. I don't think this section is necessary, so I will delete it. Okay. This section is okay. This section, more services, I don't think is not necessary for me, so delete it. Okay, then I think this is now okay for me. So already we have 4 services, right? One is car, one is road, one is, so you are going to change this, right? Let me go over to our ChatGPT. Let me show you something. Yeah, we've done a whole lot though. So one is road. You copy this road and you copy the content within this road, right? Let me just use one as sample. Okay, let's say road logistics. I will copy this road logistics and I will come over here and I will change the title to road logistics, and I will copy this content here, and I will paste it. It's giving me 4. Let me see what my own will give me 4. So yeah, you see what I have. It is not writing everything out for you, but it's just okay there. Then you change this image. You change this image that is here. This image. Let me get something. Although our image, they are not portrait. They are all landscape. But let me see what this will look like. Boom, 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 boom. You know, the quality is low because it's coming from Google. I guess this is one of the videos we got from Google, right? Let me see this. Although it's road, but we are putting this. Yeah. Road logistics, road and we are putting air. Is there any car here? Let me check. This was coming from where? But let's see what it looks like. Boom. Boom. I think this is okay. Road logistics, yeah. School bus. So you can do that for this, and this. This will go for your air, this will go for your sea, and this will go for your dispatch rider. That's this component. So when I close up this, so when they click, well, let me see the link that is there, the URL. There's no URL there, right? So now there is something logical I want you to understand. So when they click here, it's going to refresh this home page, right? So you are going to create a page for this, and this. Now, how do we outsource that? Let's go to our pages, right? In our pages, let's see what we have. I'm looking for, okay, let me see this industry solution. Let me view. Okay, there's nothing here. I'm looking for a page with landing maintenance. I'm looking for a page that is like that's like article. Do you get? Let me see this newsletter. I'm sure there's nothing in all these pages here. There's nothing in all these pages. Let me check. Okay. This portfolio, I'm not sure there's anything in all these pages. Let me check out this one. There's nothing in all these pages. So what are we going to do? So it's now left for you to decide then if you want them to still read more. Do you get? You want them to still read more. Maybe this particular road logistics, you want to explain everything to them. or you just want to display it the way I displayed it here, just display, you see, you go, you see, you go. But if you want to expand it, this is where the logic will now come in from your own end. You can decide to do something like going to about us, right? You are going to, you can redirect them to about us. So do you get? But it still, it doesn't make sense. So you can duplicate this about us and change it to road services, right? Then here, instead of about us, because it's duplicated, it's now going to be road service. This is about our road service. Then you talk about the road service here, all these parts here, talk about the road service. Then you can add this particular section can be here. This is not necessary, this is not necessary, this is not necessary. This can be here, this particular section can be here, then this section can be here. I think that's all that can be there. Then you can also bring other services, like here now, this service is here. You can copy this section and paste it there, like in the new page you are creating. Let me show you something. Let's go to the back end. Let's go to pages. I don't know which of the pages that. I don't know if it's this particular page. Let me see. I don't know if it's this particular page. Is it still loading? Okay, it's still loading. Boom, 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 boom. I think that's the page. So let me show you what I'm talking about, right? How will I do this thing now that will make it let me show you. Let me just take a little time to show you. Okay, let's say create okay, let's say create a new page and say road service, right? Road service and road service, and we are going to publish it. Okay, we are done publishing it, right? Then I will still go back to pages. Then I will look for road service. Okay, I will look for this thing tile. Where is it? Where will this be now? Hey, road service. I've left it. I would have just used it from there, but it's fine. Let's look for it. Let's look for road service. Right, remaining 4. I've not seen it though. Where did I keep that in? Is it that I did not save under this? I published it now. I published it. I can't find. Okay. I'm suffering myself when I know that there is search button. Are you sure? search for page. Okay, see it here. Road service. See where the thing can hide. So we are going to view it. So when we view it, we click on edit, right? When we click on edit, so let's say we need this. Yeah. Here, okay. Then let's say we want this. Oh, my bad. I think what we needed was is in this place. Did I have anything I'm yet to save here? What's that? Do I have anything I'm yet to save here? Yeah, that wrote logistics that I wrote. Let me save it and let me go to about us. I want to show you how you can build up this place. So this particular section self, right? Let's say this. Let me copy. Let me show you something. Let me copy, and when I say this is home page, this is home page. Let me see. Can I do something here? Let me add this first. Let me say paste. Boom. Do you see that? You see that this particular part is now here, this new place, but I don't think it's inbuilt. It's meant to come up here, right? So I'll have to delete this. We don't need it. Yeah, we don't need it. Let me delete it. Then let's copy this section here. This section, copy. By default, when you paste downwards, right? So this is no longer necessary again here. I'll delete this. Boom. Then I can start adding. So this is here. I told you that we can still add. We don't need this. We don't need this. We can add this. Is it necessary? Yeah, call to action is necessary depending on what you are using as your call to action, right? Then let's come here, paste. By default it will go down, but you can bring it above, right? When you highlight on paste, you see today paste above. That means to paste above this. What again do we need? Before this comes in, we can go to services, right? This services, and copy this ones here, this again, so that in case from there somebody can easily continue with everything, right? I can paste this in above, you see. So this will go down, this will come up. So if the person is done reading this down to the part, the person can still click on this to read it, click on this to read it. So you can, do you get what I'm saying? So you can just, so that the person will not go out to services to go and look for this again. So when you are done adding this, you can add that contact us form, maybe this form here. Oh no. You can add this. This should come before those other ones, so that the person can just pay for it. You know, the price range for let's say C, you know, you won't come, it won't be the same thing, right? So under that road you can have, okay, this one is for just chartered bus, this is for another services, this for another services, and these are the bonuses that comes with it. You can add it up. So let's go back here. Before this should come above, right? So that once you are done, you like everything, you can just place order, and once you place the order, it should redirect to maybe our payment gateway and stuff like that. So you see that you've just created another page, right? So let me save this. Let me show you something. Let me save this and let me copy this URL. Let me save this and copy this URL and come back to our services and edit this particular road. Now we are going to add that URL now that we just finished working on. Then I will save it and I will show you what I just did. So when I come here now and I click here, guess where it's taking us to? To that road trip that we are still working on. You can see that it's 2 here. So that's how you can create a new page. Maybe you just want to duplicate it. So I won't do much. So you can do for the remaining 3. I've just demonstrated the instance for you, and you have to edit this to suit road. Oh. This should be road. Why will people choose you? So use your chat. If I say I don't want this video to be very long, it's already getting long, right? So you now change this to maybe sea, air, and dispatch. Then the general pricing, it's up to you. Use ChatGPT to get the pricing. Tell ChatGPT to give you breakdown of different prices, right? And you do it here. Then this is still the same thing, right? This is still the same thing. Still the same thing. With all those changes, you just do your changes of phone number. Then this, I've not looked into this part before. Let me check it out. Let me see this book. Okay, this normal working hours, but it's the ash for me. Okay, it's Monday to this. Let me see what it looks like. Let me come in. When you say book, okay, there's no link there. There's no link there. When you say book, you should be able to redirect them to okay. I actually don't. I've not used. I didn't change this before. Okay, this is the timing. This book, this icon, where is it coming from? Where is this icon coming from? Okay, yeah. Instead of ash, right? You put the link to maybe contact us. You put the link to maybe contact us. Let me show you something. Let's change this link here. I want to be sure that that is what we need there, right? Okay, let me save this and see what it looks like. So let's come to this. You see that this will take us to road trip. This icon now. When I click it, because that was the last link I just finished using. So yeah, that's how you can change that booking. So depending on where you are taking them to, same thing goes here. The address that you want to use, then all your social media handles. You know how to do this already now. I don't need to be wasting time. And when you're done with everything here, you are done with your services page. All these things I'm saying, you have to do all of them, right? So the next part is the blog. Blog. You know what to do here now. You know what to do here. This blog part, this part is more like the article itself. You get it? This is more like the article itself. So you can, let's say this, you can decide to remove a whole section. I can decide to remove the whole section. Let me check out this. The whole section is gone. Let me bring it back. Bring it back. I don't go come out everything. Let me leave and come back again. Okay, so it's back. So this is basically the articles, and we selected everything here, right? All these articles now you are seeing here, when you go to your pages, you will see them, right? So you can change all these articles with your new articles. Maybe you can decide to start writing articles yourself. Let me click on one so that you see where it's taking us to. This is giving us articles on this particular content. You see that the article is rich, it's not poor, it's not thin, right? It's rich. and you can decide to start here. This is done basically under the pages. You look for this particular article under your post. This is under post, right? You look, let's say, because that's where this editing can be there. You see post here, not page. If you see here, you see page, edit page. Here you are seeing edit post. It will take you to the back end, so you can change the topic, all those content inside. You can start changing everything to suit what you want and all. Do you get? So that's how you go about that one. So that's how you edit this blog. But this, I don't think you should do this now. Maybe you can just change one or two and leave it, right? You can come back to this because this is not actually a blog site. So don't spend much time there. I just want us to wrap up this particular theme and go to another theme. This contact us page, right? Under this contact us page, I don't think there's much to be done here. And there's much to be, just change the phone number here, change this to suit what your brand is, change this image. You know what to do here. Change this. That's all. This you have to delete this. This is more like if you have the key, the Google key, you can use this. This is like Google Map. Maybe people knowing your address in particular. So when you have the Google key, your own that you paid for, when you add it here, it will show you push direction and the location. Google, people can search you on Google and all, right? So let me show you how it looks like. Amwerk. Let me show you how it looks like. So you will see for yourself. It's taking time to load. Well, we wait. Okay, it's back. This is what we are using, right? Let's go over there and look for contact us. And where is that contact us? It's here, man. So you see how it looks like. You see how the map looks like. It's going to give people direction of where you are exactly in the map and all. Map. Let me see what satellite look like. Oh, not bad. This is just different design. So when you have your Google key for the location of your company, you use it. But since we don't have it, we just delete this for the meantime, so that I decide to not look awkward. So now this is mainly your testimonial, and you know we've done something related to testimonials before. If you remember, we did something related to testimonial before. So this is just you. It's like I don't know how many is here, right? But let me quench this and see how many is here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So a total of 7, right? So you just change it to okay, globally harness. Like these people's testimonial, people that have done something with your brand. So you just get it from ChatGPT now. That one is not a big deal. I've done something related to that before. There's something like this. You can see this. You can just add it up here. You don't have pictures, so you can maybe remove those pictures there. And that's all. So the next part now is this footer, right? This footer. I'm even working with their own. Let me come back to my the next part now is this footer. So let's go to the home page. Did I do something here? Yes, let me save it. Let's go back to our home page and let's highlight this. Then let's edit footer. So once you go down, you click on edit footer here. It's a different section on its own. You go to edit footer. You can do it from back end though, but yeah, this is okay. You do it here too. So you do your changes here. Here now, this menu. This menu now, you know where you did your menu now. So you can select the particular menu. When you are done with it there, see when I change to footer menu, see that these services here will change. When I change it to the primary menu, right, then the menu up there will come down here, right? Do you see? So that's our services. Then if I go back to our services menu, so this is where when you go to your menu, that's here now. When you go to menu, let me show you in case you've forgotten. You go to appearance, then you go to menus. Then you know your services now is 4 now, right? So you come here and look for services menu and select. Then you change all these things here to what you have in your page, which is what's it called, road logistics. So when you click on road, you change it to road. You click on logistics, you change it to logistics. You do all those stuff. Now you know those write-ups that you did, this write-up, like this road write-up now, right, should be the menu bar, right? That should be the menu. That once somebody click on road, it will take them to this page here. So when you get that done, you put all those stuffs here. So when you add road, you add that's when you are done creating all those pages. So you add road, you change it so that when you come over to this footer now and you change, let me show you something. Okay, this here, let's change this. Okay, I want to demonstrate something to you. So let's just say this is main menu. Let's just leave main menu, right? And let's also change this one to main menu. I will show you what I'm talking about. Then let's leave those two there. We can change the title here. Excuse me. So this contact us, you know the normal thing now. You change those to the right address. This is a form. I will show you how it looks like. Let's save this. Also, logo can come in here. Also, logo can, okay, we've saved that, but let's now go back to our logistics. Let's go back here. You see that the menu, you see that there are changes here already. Let's go to about us. Let's see if the same menu working here is working there. It gets, okay, it's working there. So you see that the menus, they are all the same now. That's how footer, I'm saying menu, footer, they are all the same now. So it all depends on what you want to change your own to. I already gave you instance of how you can change that other one. So you can change this, at least your main menu should be down here. So this about us now can turn to main menu. This one here, these are services. You do those changes under your menu and it will reflect here. You start seeing road travel and the rest. This subscribe, I don't think we need this, so you can easily delete this whole part here. Let me show you. We go here, we click here, we delete, we click here, we delete. What's the work of this? Which form is this? Okay, we don't need it. We delete it, and yep, we are back on track. Then when we go back and we refresh this, boom, that's out and it's looking okay too, right? So I think that will be all for this theme. That will be all for this theme. The next video I will be dropping will be for another theme, that those that want to build something like what's it called, maybe online store or something else. I'll be dropping another theme. We'll use another theme and do it. Although we can use this theme, but let's learn how to customize another theme. So go ahead, sit down, carefully watch this video. You watch it first, then you come back and start doing the editing. If you are hooked anywhere, you type it in the comment section. if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, to do well to subscribe to the channel. I think that will be all about this theme. And if you don't have this theme, type in the comment section that you don't have the theme. I will make provision for the theme for you. And if you don't know how to get your hosting, maybe you want to buy hosting, don't know how to get it, also comment it in the comment section. I will make a video for you on how you can get a theme and how you can get hosting. Okay, I think that will be all for now, and bye.